when niggas shooting at your crib. Mama, I'm still thugging, the world is a war zone. My homies is inmates, and most of them dead grown. Full grown, following your man, so scheming on ways to put some greed inside the palms of my empty hands. Just picture me rolling, flossing the beans on rims that isn't stolen. My dreams are censored, my hopes are born. I'm like a fiend that finally sees when the dope is gone. My nerves is wrecked, heart beating in my head is swollen. Thinking of the G's I be holding, picture me rolling. Can you see me now? Move to the side a little bit so you can get a clear picture. Can you see it? Picture me rolling. Yeah, nigga. Hey, but peep how my nigga Psych do it. Guess who's back?
I got keys coming from overseas. Cost a nigga 200 G's. I'm a street commando, Nino, for example. This lavish lifestyle is hard to handle, so I got the flaws, cause I'm more like a boss player. Thug bred to be a woman layer. So many player haters imitate a steady swinging. Make me wanna start back banging. So I'm caught up in the game. Dress code change. Packing 40 Glocks to tame or rearrange. All that jealousy and envy coming from my enemies. While I'm sipping on Remain, running back Lexus Chevys on the roam. 96 big body sitting on chrome. As we head up out the zone, Stone facing his own. You can admire, but don't look too long. I'm living a dream with triple beams and my pockets bulging. It's hard to imagine. Picture me rolling.
Picture me rolling. Picture me rolling. Picture me rolling.
I got to get the fuck up in it. Formulate a caper. Cause a nigga straight suffering from like I haven't paper. My bitch finna have a bad to see, so I need to hit a lick drastically. Cause these some bowling ass niggas and they slipping in my spot. And big in the pot, they got a chicken in the pot.
We caught him sleeping, he didn't keep you niggas creeping. It's how we do it every weekend, I dump you mad. The time to count the proper CPO, you got the wrong spot. Nigga, time to clock it. I get the liquor, and you can get the females. It's crooked shit that we inflict and get street sales.
Move smooth as a motherfucker, me and my nine. I'm cool as a motherfucker, I'ma get mine. Now we're satisfied. Got the pockets on swollen balls, hog in this pocket, nigga. Picture us rolling.